Good morning students. Now we are discussing about fractions and decimals. Fractions means we come across many situations in our daily life that are half liter, half day, 3 by 4, etc. So here one example is given. This is a square. How many parts divided? 2 parts. This line divided the square into 2 parts. 1, 2. So one part is shaded. Then total parts are 1, 2. Total parts 2. How many parts shaded? One part is shaded. So 1 by 2. This is represented as 1 by 2. And another example. Square. This is a circle divided into 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 parts are divided and shaded. How many parts shaded? One part is shaded. So numerator is written as 1 by 4. And another example. This is a rectangle. Rectangle is divided into how many equal parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 equal parts are divided. So, now how many parts shaded? 1, 2, 3. 3 parts are shaded. 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 3 by 8. These are all fractions. In fractions, the top of the number is called as numerator. And this is called as denominator. Okay. 8 is called denominator. Okay. Now, fractions. Fractions are proper fractions, improper fractions and mixed fractions. Proper fractions. Proper fractions represents part of a whole. Part of whole. In the proper fractions, numerator is less than denominator. Numerator is less than denominator. For example, 2 by 3. In this fraction, 2 is less than 3. So, this is a proper fraction. And another example, 1 by 5. In the fraction, 1 is less than 5. Whole parts are 5 and one part is shaded. So, 1 by 5 is proper fraction. And improper fractions. Improper fractions represents the numerator is greater than or equal to denominator. For example, 3 by 2. In the fractions, 2 is less than 3. 3 is greater than 2. So, numerator is greater than 2. And 5 by 1. So, 5 is greater than 1. So, numerator is greater than 1. And 4 by 4. Numerator equal to denominator. This is called improper fraction. And mixed fractions. Mixed fractions contains integral part and fractional part. The improper fractions change into mixed fraction. That is 3 by 2 equal to 1 and half. This is called mixed fraction. In this mixed fraction, 1 is integral part and 1 by 2 is fractional part. Fractional part should be proper fraction. Okay. Next, another example, 5 by 4. 4 ones are 4 plus 1. In this fraction, 1 is called integral part and 1 by 4 is fractional part. This 1 by 2 and 1 by 4 are proper fractions. Fractional part should be proper fraction. Okay children.